Hey, what's up, guys? I got a box of 0708 Hot Prospects. Looking for the Kevin Durant rookie auto patch, so let's see if I can find one. First time breaking this box, so hopefully get something nice. Face. Stat tracker insert of Bill Walton. Numbered. Stat tracker insert of Steve Nash. Is this the... no, it's just a filler. Notable newcomers, Javaris Quinterton. Supreme Court insert, Dan Marley. Supreme Court insert, Tom Chambers. This one feels a little thicker. I don't know if that's a patch. Oh, it's a hit though. That's not the patch. And it is... oh, nice. John Stockton dual jersey auto. Numbered 40 out of 50. Nice card. And class of 2007, Joakim Noah, Al Horford, and Corey Brewer. Insert numbered 2007. Notable newcomers, DJ Strawberry. Stat tracker, Jason Kidd. Roy base, Supreme Court insert of Dennis Scott. Notable newcomers, Rodney Stuckey. Stat tracker, Tom Chambers again. This one feels a little thick. This could be the patch. Yeah, it does. I'll save that for the end. This one feels kind of thick too. Oh, it's jersey card. Dual jersey card of Richard Hamilton. numbered at 99. And a Supreme Court insert of Donyell Marshall. Supreme Court Chris Mim. Supreme Court Michael Cooper. Brandon Roy stat tracker insert for the PC. Jeff Green, notable newcomers. Okay, last pack before we get to the patch. And a stat tracker of Steve Kerr. Alright, here's the pack with the patch. Pull the base up front. That stat tracker of AC Green, and the patch auto is, looks like it's Al Horford, and it is. Well, pretty nice patch. 3-color patch, black, or I think no, it's blue, red, and white. Pretty nice nice rookie auto patch right there. Decent rookie too. And that is numbered at $3.99. Yeah, so pretty nice box. The Al Horford rookie auto patch, 3 colors, dual jersey card, Richard Hamilton, and maybe you can guess, say the main hit of the box is probably this, the John Stockton dual jersey auto numbered out of 50. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.